Hey, not long ago, Apple's Q1 results conference took place. Some of the information that have been published are sales numbers. And while things could have been much better when we talk about majority of Cupertino's products for the past few months, as it turned out, it wasn't that bad for the iPad, as someone may think. Would this be the reason why maybe we should reconsider initial almost pessimistic statements of some of the experts about Apple's plan for 2023? Let's talk, but first, quick question for you. What's your favorite iPad? Please answer in the comment section below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco, this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by Benks. Take a look at their awesome accessories for iPhone, Samsung devices, iPads and much more on their website. A few months ago I reviewed Infinity Pro magnetic stand and I've been playing with Urban Pro case with a keyboard for some time. Their products are cool. Check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Use Digital Marketing's 15 code and get 15% off. Now let's go. It's no secret that one of the most reliable tech journalists, Mark from Bloomberg, wasn't very optimistic about anything this year beside Apple's AR/VR headset. Like it wasn't enough to hit hard on our big expectations for some of the products, but he went beyond, showing signs of suspicion about the arrival of the next generation iPad. Let's just use this opportunity to express how we feel about it in the following 2 seconds. Well, Apple already launched a couple of products back in January, though it was via press release. Mac Mini and MacBook Pro models have been expected for the end of 2022, but it turned out the plan has changed, probably for the HomePod 2 too. No wonder why Mac sales numbers weren't bigger. I'm certain the picture will be more clear on the next investors meeting in March, right after the event, if it happens. But what does it all has to do with iPads? Well, contrary to every other device coming from Cupertino, besides services, the only category that experienced some kind of growth were iPads. Back in October, Apple also revealed 2 new models. Well, technically 3. An update to the iPad Pro lineup, with M2 chip at its core as its main feature with some less mind-bending extras. On the other end, there was an iPad 10. If you are interested, my full hands-on review is available on this channel. The link is also in the description. An iPad 10 wasn't exactly a replacement for 9 iteration as we originally have thought, but in some aspects, regardless of its higher than expected $449 price tag, it still belongs to the budget price, comparable, for example, to an iPad Air or an iPad Mini. Let's keep the inflation and global price madness out of the equations for now. What's interesting is in both cases Apple didn't consider these as a reason's worth of special event. Technically it was all about internals, even if iPad 10 got a redesign that's been present for some time in Apple's tablet arsenal. We've seen some cool improvements, and then there were others, questionable ones, to say the least. Apparently, such incremental releases didn't stop people from buying these tablets. Essentially what happened, an iPad product category showed sales growth by 30% in the first quarter of 2023, regardless of official decline of iPad on a yearly basis, which will continue. Those are great results. They are so impressive that we haven't seen those numbers in 2014. In case you're not familiar, Apple's fiscal year have started in September 25 and lasted till the end of December, which means that the iPad sales coincide with the arrival of 10th generation iPad and latest Pros. What's funny is the tech community has been a bit harsh toward the value of the standard iPad. It once again proves that in many ways, we as tech enthusiasts don't have such a good understanding how things work for average consumers, but Cupertino Giant does. What we know for sure is that Apple as a brand has the most loyal followers in the industry, and while some do buy the latest and greatest products every year, others do that sporadically. But Apple as a business needs profit. and it's always pushing the bar higher. Yes, AR, VR headset may be the main thing in 2023, but other products are equally relevant. The first release cycle has already started in January, and it's a long way to go. Therefore, even with harsh predictions about iPads this year, I still wouldn't exclude an option that we will see multiple new models, because every release matters. And it's not important will it feature just the chip inside or total design change. An iPad 11 can still get A15. An iPad Pro may not receive OLED before 2024, but the new design with M3 silicon may be packed alongside the increase in base storage. 6th Gen iPad Air seems perfect to start with 128 gigs configuration, and alongside the M2 at its belly, it would still be a tempting product. For iPad mini, it looks like a more complicated story. Since we've got from multiple sizes, this one we may have to wait longer. That was my little 2023 iPad rant. I hope you had fun and that you want to give it a like. Please subscribe and enable all notifications so you stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.